Greta, what are you doing? Are you adjusting your pile of pajamas in one pile to another pile? No, that's not what you're doing? Okay. You're very deliberate. Oh, thank gosh you moved them. You're gonna move them again? No? Just making a nice pile? Okay. What you doing? No? You're not doing anything? You're doing what? Sorry? Those are your pajamas. You seem to like doing this.